we are here. We are here. So guys, we are doing shopping. Tunaenda kupika. So nitapigia watoto breakfast. Hello everyone, welcome to Riziki's Kitchen. Today in the video I will be showing you around just a short video of where I went to buy my food. So today is a special day. I'm going to my sister's house. I am going to cook for the kids. I can say the whole family. So hey, stay with us and keep watching. This one. Tuko hapa tunaelekea kwenda south side. Guys, we are going to south side. We go and cook for kids. It's morning. Remember, we just finished shopping, and now we are going to south side. We will drive 30 minutes to get there. I will cook for them breakfast and lunch. So come with me and let's do this together. Okay, tunafika. We are here, guys, and the house is here. This is the house. That's okay. That's Joy starting taking some. See, just numbers. Okay, guys, we are here. We are here. Tunatoa vitu hapa. Hivi hapa tunatoa, tunataka anza kupika. Just woke up.
We didn't wake up, we were doing something.
Something what now? Imara is still sleeping. Okay, these are glasses. This is where I'm gonna save everything, guys. Very beautiful. And this is the kitchen, as I showed you. So now let us get into this. Looking so good. This is the breakfast I just finished making. So yes, it was so good, and look how it's looking, so beautiful. So yes, guys, just a heads up what we are going to make for lunch today. We'll be making rice and chicken. You may not understand, we are talking in Swahili, so just a heads up of what we are going to cook. So I will ask you to stay where you are, have a cup of coffee, and enjoy watching, because hey, our menu is very, very interesting. And rice, ooh, it was so like too much because I cooked in a very big pot. Here, guys, we are starting washing chicken. As I said, our menu today is rice and chicken. So we made, it was 10 pounds of rice, which is too much, guys. And hey, we really, really loved it. And the kids really enjoyed it. So I'm cooking food for 10 people, but we are only six and the little one, which are seven of us, but other ones they were still at work, but I just leave everything so they can come and enjoy it too. So I was happy I made this day to make something for them. I was so happy for that. And so for now, I'm gonna ask you to stay where you are and enjoy watching till the end of this video. Please don't miss out, because if you missed any part, you won't enjoy it. So everything we used, spices, everything, like it's very, very interesting. So stay there and enjoy watching. Bye bye. Again. You didn't know the time. Also get It's okay if someone is short, okay? No problem. The rice. Okay, Grace, I want to that smells good. Wow. Grace Naki. Wow. Okay.
This kitchen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Preparing for us. Sponsored, eh? Sponsored by Riziki'skitchen. Oh!
Oh my God.
Yeah, starting by lunch. No, breakfast.
So yes guys, tumekuja hapa jamani kupika, kupigia familia na tumepika kabisa, tumeanza breakfast na ijapokuwa wengine walikuwa wamelala, wamekula nyuma lakini wamekula na tumepiga lunch. Najua tukishiba hapa sijui kama tutaweza kula sapa tena. So kwa hiyo tuko hapa tumepika tu rice na hii nyama. It's looking so good. So asanteni na tunaanza kula. Hatutaonyesha tunakula. Hiyo juice ni watermelon.
Enjoy yourself, guys.
Enjoy guys and yeah.
The freshness of watermelon.